Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve your internal microphone is missing and not appear on Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it. Go to other troubleshooters. Scroll down guys. Recording audio, click on run. Microphone problem, this will be detect you guys. For software problems, checking audio service status. Close out of here and go to CMD, search menu and type CMD. Now here run as administrator, click on it. Click yes. Check my video description for this command guys. Copy it. Right click the bar, eject and paste it, press enter. Now this will scan hardware and devices troubleshooting method. Click on advanced option. Apply repairs automatically. You can check mark here and click next. Hopefully this can able to fix your problem guys. Close the troubleshooter and close out of here. And the final step, go to control panel. Open it. In here you need to click on view by two large icons and go to sound option over here. Click on it. And in here you need to select recording option, and on empty bank area you need to right click on it, and here show disabled devices, click on it, and you need to show disconnected devices. You need to check mark here guys, as well as to both of them. And if you have another microphone in here, you need to select the microphone and set as default. That can resolve the problem guys, and click OK. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.